Got change for the party. The DJ is going, and we're gonna continue to cook. 2 hours left until showtime. Good morning, everyone. I am starting the day right with my Bodhi tea leaf coffee. I'm in Anaheim Hills. It's an oat milk cappuccino. It's so good. This is probably one of the best coffee shops ever. Whenever I come back to my hometown, which is Yorba Linda on the way, I have to get Bodhi leaf. It's so good, and it's just waking me up. So I'm counting down the days because my boyfriend and I are hosting this Christmas holiday party on Christmas Day. So I'm really excited because I've always wanted to host and I need time to prep. I have a whole entire menu that I'm gonna be doing, which I'm excited about, and we're gonna have a lot of fun. So I thought I'd just take you with me as a kind of like a vlog for this week, and I'll just compile everything together. That way you guys can see how I've been able to put everything together as a first-time host and just experience this whole like journey with me, and this is just the whole first time. I'm so excited but nervous at the same time. So yeah, I will keep you guys posted. I'll try to record as much as I can. We'll see you probably later on today or maybe tomorrow or sometime this week. My favorite store. My other two favorite stores. I can't wait to go in. Got the goods.
Is this one?
Okay, T-minus 2 days until Christmas. We're heading into Bristol Farms to get the chicken and a few other items that we need for the party. So I'll take you guys in with me. We are entering into this mayhem of a place. Should we get this? There's one with a pine cone too. What do you think?
These ones are $15, those ones are 22.
Okay. There's even white ones too.
Yeah, those are pretty.
All right, let's get. Should we get this? Mint chocolate. 13. Freaking crazy. So many people here. We need the chicken. We need... I think we need that.
Oh, those ones up front look good. Maybe, what do you think, 5 of them?
4 or 5, yeah.
Yeah, those up front look so good. Yeah, let's do 5 of them.
Let's do
Want to get LaCroix?
LaCroix. This time my favorite mango. You want to do
Italian
limoncello?
team. What one were you thinking?
Lemon.
Okay.
Okay. I found some crackers. Let's get these
Oh my god.
gluten-free. Should I get multigrain or everything? For the charcuterie board.
Everything.
Everything. That's what I thought. It's the best. Let's add this to the cart. Ooh, let's get the pods. Extra bold or bold?
Bold.
Bold it is. Got some unsweetened natural cocoa powder just for a fresh one for the hot cocoa we're making. We landed with a shopping cart, trying to get it down the stairs. And then my boyfriend's getting me a Christmas apron to wear on Christmas. And some illy coffee, since the coffee that we got was not the right one for the Nespresso. It was for a Keurig. It's so gray and rainy. I am going to be prepping starting today because I told you guys, if you guys know, if you guys follow me on Instagram or TikTok, whatever, I am like the biggest procrastinator ever. I hate that about myself, but I love being under pressure. So it's like a double whammy. There's a reason why I do it. But today, tomorrow, I am going to be preparing myself for the day of, because I want the least amount of work so I can enjoy. Like, you know how the thing about hosts, like, you are so concerned about making sure everyone else is happy, right? And well fed and enjoying their time. And I want to focus on that versus like me needing to like do prep work or more things in the kitchen. So that's the short story of it. I want to make sure that I am like stress-free and really enjoying my time. Okay, better yet, let me try to clean as much as I can because I kind of need like a blank slate in order to really be creative in the kitchen. That's just how it usually happens. And there's clean dishes in the dishwasher. I need to put those away, then put the dirty dishes in the dishwasher, and then I'll feel a little bit better. Time lapse. All right, we are done. Kitchen is clean, and I quartered up these Brussels sprouts, and I think to even prepare myself even more in advance, I was thinking about putting these in a mixing bowl, mix all the seasoning, olive oil, and just get them prepared. But even better, because I hate dishes, I'm gonna use Ziploc bags. I know I'm not being as eco-friendly, but if I put these two in, if I can fit all of this in one Ziploc bag, that's great. If not, I should put it in two, put the olive oil, put all the seasoning, and then done. Cut up this garlic. Have you guys seen this trick? If you put all the garlic in a glass bottle and you start shaking it up, all of the garlic skin starts to come off. Should we try it? All right, I gave in. Let's try this since we have a lot of garlic. Add this to a glass jar and let's see if this works if we just shake it up. Let's begin. Top on. I hope this works because I don't want to clean more dishes. Ooh. Some, not all. Look at that. Well, that's cool. That saved me some time. Okay. I'm not crying because something bad happened. I'm crying because of the stupid onions. I'm gonna be making some chicken and, well, my main dish is gonna be chicken with mozzarella, spinach, like all stuffed in there, rolled up with prosciutto rolled up, and then twine around it. And then I'm gonna make pearl onions, caramelize that, just full, not even chopped. Just wanna peel that, so that way everyone has a little bit of onions with their chicken. Okay, how dumb am I was peeling these onions and realized there was instructions for peeling it easier. You have to boil for 30 to 60 seconds, cool in a cold water bath, trim tips off onions, leaving skins on, and then squeeze to pop skins off. So much easier, because look how many onions there are. There's no way I'm gonna be doing that. Okay, let's follow the instructions. Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone. By the time this posts, I know it's gonna be way past Christmas. I'm heading to Bristol Farms. I'm getting silverware because I thought I had enough silverware and I don't. I got some plastic ones and they were dessert forks and they look puny and I'm just like, oh my God, I have to go. So I'm gonna go grab that really quick, come back, open up presents, get ready, finish cooking, and then by that time, everyone should be coming. So last night, I stayed up till like almost midnight or 1 a.m. just decorating, opening up a present, just one present, because that's tradition. And the place looks really cool. Like, I wanted to share with you guys what it looked like, but then the DJ lights were on and it just, we were kind of rocking to the music and stuff. Babe. And you'll see it once I have batteries for the lights that go for the table. And that will look even more just Christmassy. So stay tuned. Oh my God, that was a fail. Bristol Farms is closed. I should have known. On Christmas Day, it's closed. And I think this guy in the van was like yelling at me, but I wasn't sure until like I finally realized what he was saying. And I think he kept saying it was closed and he goes, "Gee, I told you." And then, well, now I know. I walked all the way up in the front and like totally embarrassed myself. So, I don't know. I think everything is closed. We'll have to figure this out. Okay, so we just arrived at Pavilions and it's open. Dun, 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 dun. All right, let's get the silverware. Ooh, they have red. This is perfect. They finally have this in stock. Oh, or should I do silver? So I made a decision. I got silverware. And I got two because it was buy one, get one 50% off. Like, your girl always loves a good deal. bin. That's my trash bin. That's like me being Rachel Ray. Here is the charcuterie board. I did a lot of time lapse because I just needed to concentrate, and we're like an hour and a half away. The potatoes are ready. Let's see if it does not steam up my face. Look at this. Oh, baby. I wasn't able to make a video at the very end of the Christmas party because the host was having too much fun. All right, well, see you guys next time in Claire's Kitchen. Bye.